So hello everyone, here is the new Leetcode problem which name is minimum cost to connect all points. Let's discuss the problem. The problem says we have given a points vector. In this points vector we have to connect all the nodes and we have to find the minimum cost to connect all the points connected, and all points are connected if there is exactly one simple path between any two points. So we have given this points vector like this, so we have to connect this points vector so that we can find the minimum cost. So how we will solve this problem? So here is the approach to solve this problem. I am using the Kruskal algorithm because you can use also Prim's algorithm for finding out the minimum cost of MST. So it is a minimum spanning tree. The condition of minimum spanning tree should be there should be no cycle. If n equals to 5, so ages should be 4, means n minus 1. So this is the condition for minimum spanning tree. You can see this solution also. So let's do this problem. So firstly I will write the code for distance. So finding out the distance, so int distance of vector of int point 1 comma vector of int point 2. Then I will return absolute value of point 1 of 0 minus point 2 of 0 plus absolute value of point 1 of 1 minus point 2 of 1. So here is a function for finding out the distance. So now I will initialize int n equals to points dot size, and I will create a vector for visited, vector int visited of size n comma initialize with 0. Initially I will initialize with 0. If that point is visited, then I will do it 1. So vector int minimum cost also, and that size is n, and initialize with int max. Int current point equals to 0, and minimum cost of 0 equals to 0. Int answer equals to 0. Then I will create a loop, while loop for current point, जब तक current point greater than equal to 0 है. So current point is greater than equals to 0. Then I will initialize the visited as point 1, visited of current point equals to 1. Then int next point equals to -1. Initially it is -1, then आगे फाइंड आउट करेंगे इसको नेक्स्ट पॉइंट को. Then int minimum current equals to int max. This is done. Then we will find out the next point. So I will initialize a loop for int point equals to 0 to point less than n. then point plus plus. In this loop, if visited of current point equals and visited of current point, no, it is a शुरू point. इफ वो पॉइंट अगर विजिटेड है या करंट पॉइंट इक्वल टू पॉइंट है तो फिर मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, सीधे कंटिन्यू कर देंगे. इन एल्स कंडीशन there should be else condition minimum cost of that point equals to minimum of distance of current point of current points of current point comma points of point. Minimum of that particular point and minimum cost of point. This is done. Then if we will check if minimum cost of that point is less than equals to min current, then what we'll do, min current equals to minimum cost of that point and next point equals to point. And it else condition, it should be not else condition. Okay, this is done, perfect. If minimum current equals to int max, then answer equals to 0. अगर वो int max के इक्वल है तो उसको 0 कर देंगे, नहीं तो in else condition we will write our answer plus equals to current minimum current and current point equals to next point. And finally we will return our answer. So let's run this code. In line number 3, yes, line number 9, it is giving wrong answer. Again run this code. Now it is working perfect. So submit this code. Okay. Done.